Pragyan Foundation, in association with Anandodhara International, presented weekly group meditation on Tuesday, 18th June, at Pragyan Bhavan. Internationally acclaimed lifestyle therapy expert and meditation analyst Dr. Suresh Kumar Agarwal conducted a brief workshop. He also spoke on the upcoming International Yoga Day celebrations to be conducted at Pragyan Bhavan on 21st June from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m.
On the next Friday, that is on 21st of June 2024, we are going to celebrate the International Day of Yoga, which is being celebrated in more than 200 countries around the world. It's a proud privilege for all of us, being Indian, because India has given the gift of yoga to the whole world. And yoga is such a thing which covers all aspects of our health, may it be physical, mental, social, as well as spiritual. So yoga is a gift to India, a gift from India to the world, and we are going to celebrate that Yoga Day. And this Yoga Day on 21st of June has been initiated by none other than a very great saint from Portugal, Amrit Suryananda, with whom I had an opportunity to interact way back in 2012 during the first World Parliament of Spirituality. So I am very proud of this, and we will be celebrating it with all pleasure here. All of you are most welcome to join us.
Dr. Suresh Kumar Agarwal inviting all for Anandodhara International Yoga program at Pragyan Bhavan on 21st June, 11 a.m. till 4 p.m.
Smile on the face. Have a smile.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सुखी থাকুন। We all living beings here and everywhere all over the globe be healthy, happy and free from all diseases, all sufferings. Thank you so much.
After the workshop on yoga and meditation conducted by Dr. Suresh Kumar Agarwal and his assistant, a lady trainer, Hello Kolkata organized a brief cultural program wherein vocal artists regaled the audience with their recitation and songs.